The colorful birds and their friendship. Once upon a time, in a small forest, three beautiful birds lived together. Each bird had a unique color, and every color held a special meaning. Lali, the red bird, was full of enthusiasm and energy. Neelu, the blue bird, was calm and thoughtful. One day, a new bird arrived in the forest. This bird was white, and its name was Safeda. Safeda felt sad about its color, thinking it was too plain. However, Lali and Neelu were delighted to see Safeda and invited it to play with them. Lali said, "Safeda, your color is beautiful. White represents peace and purity." Neelu added, "Yes, Safeda, your color makes our colors shine even brighter. Together we create a colorful family." Hearing these kind words, Safeda felt much better and began to accept its color. It realized that every color has its own importance and that everyone should take pride in their uniqueness. One day, while the birds were busy with their daily activities, Lali had a great idea. "Friends," Lali said, "let's celebrate a grand festival where we showcase our colors and enjoy together." Neelu loved the idea and began preparing for the celebration. Neelu wrote a beautiful song that everyone would sing together. Lali collected fresh fruits for the feast. Safeda also wanted to contribute something special to the festival. After thinking for a while, they decided to make garlands using white flowers from the forest. These garlands turned out to be stunningly beautiful. On the day of the festival, the birds dressed in their finest feathers. Lali built a small stage where they could showcase their colors. Neelu sang the song, bringing joy to everyone. Safeda gave each bird a white flower garland. Seeing the garlands, Lali and Neelu were overjoyed and praised Safeda's creativity. Safeda felt proud that its color and effort were appreciated. Throughout the festival, they played games, sang songs, and danced together, respecting each other's colors and celebrating their unity. One day, heavy rain poured over the forest. While the birds took shelter, Safeda noticed some small animals getting drenched in the rain. It immediately called Lali and Neelu for help. Lali gathered leaves to make a roof, and Neelu decorated the shelter with flowers. Safeda used its white garlands to make the shelter even more beautiful. The small animals were grateful and thanked them. "You all helped us in our time of need. We will always remember your kindness," they said. The birds replied, "We are here to help each other. Our colors may be different, but our hearts are the same." One day, as the birds were busy with their daily tasks, a strange sound echoed through the forest. They realized it was coming from a small pond. Lali said, "Friends, let's check where this sound is coming from. Someone might need our help." They flew toward the pond and found a little rabbit struggling in the water. It had accidentally fallen in and couldn't get out. Safeda quickly said, "We must save the little rabbit. Let's think of a way to help." Neelu brought a long branch, but it wasn't long enough. Lali encouraged the rabbit to stay calm. Then, Safeda had an idea. It tied its white garlands together to create a long rope. Throwing it into the pond, it said, "Hold on to this rope and we will pull you out." The rabbit grabbed the rope, and the birds worked together to pull it out safely. The rabbit was overjoyed and thanked them. "I will always be grateful to you all. You saved my life," said the rabbit. A friendship to remember. Days passed, and their friendship grew stronger. They played, sang, and enjoyed the beauty of the forest together. Safeda now felt proud of its color, and its white garlands became the most cherished decoration in the forest. One evening, as the sun set, the birds gathered together to reflect on their memories. Lali said, "Friends, we have shared so many